Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring internet access and that you have administrative rights. Updates need both. Once ready, save and close any open work. Unsaved files can be lost during restart. Now open Excel and navigate straight to File, then Account. This is where Update controls live. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account so the product recognizes your license. From here, you'll see the Update Options button. Click it to reveal the first actionable choices and proceed to install. Click Update Options and choose Update Now to trigger download and installation. The updater often downloads multiple patches, then applies them in sequence. Monitoring progress prevents interrupting the process. If prompted, allow Excel to close or save remaining files. Some updates require a restart of the app or the PC to complete file replacements. Make sure your device stays plugged in and connected. If updates pause or fail, note any error codes. You'll use them for troubleshooting in the final step. After installation, verify the new build under File Account so you know the update applied correctly. Once done, reopen key workbooks to confirm functionality and add-ins loaded properly. If the update failed, run Windows Update, then use Programs and Features to select Microsoft Office and choose Quick Repair. If that does not help, try Online Repair. Make sure to sign out and sign back into Office. This often resolves activation or sync issues. Use Reinstall only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.